In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the LBR Paintbars Indicator in TradingView Pro, quick and easy. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what to type, and how to get everything set up so the indicator is ready to use on your charts. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame, the process is the same. Once your chart is up, look toward the top of the screen for the Indicators button. This is usually near the time frames and other chart tools. Go ahead and click on Indicators to open the Indicators and Strategies panel. When that panel opens, you'll see a search bar at the top. This is where you can quickly find any built-in or custom indicator without scrolling through long lists. Click once inside that search bar so your cursor is active and you're ready to type. Now, type LBR Paintbars into the search field. As you type, TradingView will start filtering the results below. Make sure you spell it correctly so the right indicator appears. Once you see LBR Paintbars show up in the list, hover over it to confirm it's the one you want to add to your chart. Next, click on LBR Paintbars to apply it. TradingView will immediately add the indicator to your current chart, and you should see your candles or bars change according to the LBR Paintbars logic. If you don't notice any change right away, zoom in a bit, or look closely at the colors on your price bars, because the indicator is usually visual. After the indicator is added, you'll see its name displayed at the top left of your chart area. Right next to the indicator name, there will be a small gear or settings icon. Click on that settings icon to open the inputs and style options for LBR Paintbars. This is where you can customize how it looks and behaves. Inside the settings, you can adjust colors, line styles, or any parameters the script exposes depending on how the author designed it. Take a moment to explore these options and tailor them to your personal preferences so the chart is clear and easy for you to read. When you're happy with your adjustments, click OK or close the window and your custom settings will be applied right away. If you're not already using TradingView Pro and you want the same smooth experience you see here, use the link in my description to sign up and unlock the full set of features.